Hello students, and as you see that today I will be explaining sum number 3 of exercise 6.2. Now Shabal sir has already explained how to do plus and minus using the number line. Now today I will teach you how exactly you will add without using the number line. This is also very important conception that you need to keep for your higher classes. Now for this, the simple thing that you have to remember, students, this is a very important mantra, you can say, that you will need every time whenever you are going for most of the places of mathematics. So if I just make a box like this, if you can make this box, then it's okay. I believe that many of the students knows this, that is minus into minus is always positive. Positive into positive is always positive. Fine, minus is what? Plus. Plus is what? Plus. Okay, now minus into plus is what? Always negative, and plus into minus is also negative. So what is the observation we did? The observation is, when we are multiplying the same sign, we are always getting the positive sign, and when we are multiplying the different sign, that is plus and minus or plus into minus, okay, we always get the result as negative. Okay students, so you need to be very careful and you have to remember these things very properly all the time, because this conception you will need for this thing, this all sum. Now question number A. Question number A is what? Let's start from here. Question number A. Question number A is given 11 plus minus 7. Now if you see the two signs are coinciding, that is, the two signs are facing each other, so you have to make it a singular sign out here. So how to do it? What is plus into minus? When the different sign we multiply, what is the result we get? Minus, isn't it? So what we do, plus into minus is what? Minus. So we'll put minus sign out here and we'll write 7. Okay, so now it is quite easy to solve. 11 minus 7 is what? 4. So this is your required answer. Okay students, now let's move on to sum number 3. C. I am doing all alternative sums, students, because you see in question number 3 you will see that there are 6 questions, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so I am performing all the alternate sums, and the rest of the sums, that is sum number B, sum number D and sum number F, will be your homework. Okay students, so let's solve sum number C. So sum number C is written as minus 10 inside the bracket, plus, then again inside the bracket there is a plus, 19 is there. So I said whenever you see the two signs are facing each other, you have to make it a singular sign. Also this one, open the bracket students, so it will look like minus 10 plus is what? Plus 19. Okay, now a very important conception. Now what is minus into plus? What is minus into plus? Minus plus is minus, so you have to do minus. Now most of the students will say, so how to subtract 19 from 10? It is a smaller number. No, if you see that you are pronouncing minus, that is minus plus minus, if you have to do minus, then you will follow the same routine, that is you will subtract from the larger number, smaller number from a larger number. Okay, that is 19 minus 10 only you will do. Okay, that is 19 minus 10 only you will do. Okay, the answer will be what? 9. So you will write 9 only. Okay, so the same process, it doesn't matter that if it is 10, is the smaller number is written at first and the larger number is written at the second, doesn't matter. You will follow the same routine what you have learned in your childhood. So 19 minus 10 is 9. Okay, so why I have done minus plus minus, that is the reason we did the difference, we found the difference between 19 and 10. Now the second, another important thing is that which number is greater? Which number is greater? 19 is greater, isn't it? So 19 is carrying what sign? Plus sign. So we'll put plus sign after. So these are the two things that you have to follow. The first thing, you will multiply the sign. I will see what you have to do. You have to add or you have to subtract. Once you have done the operation, then you will see which number is greater. Okay, so if the number which is greater, you will see that what sign it is carrying on the left hand side. So that sign you have to put it here. Okay, so let's move on to sum number E. We'll understand much better. The more you do, the more better you become. So number E is minus 380 minus 270. Now again, these two signs are facing each other. The first thing we'll do, we'll open this bracket, so it will look like minus 380 plus minus is what? Minus 270. Okay, now minus is what? Plus. So what we said? Plus. So we'll do plus 380 plus 270. Do it in the rough. 0, 5, 6. So answer is 650. So the sum of these two is 650. Now you will see which number is greater. 380 is greater. Now 380 is carrying what sign on the left hand side? Minus. So we'll put minus 7. So this is what I am trying to say. And please follow the same rules for the rest of the sum. That is sum number B, sum number D and F, which will be your homework. And if in case you face any problem, feel free to ask and share. Ask your question in the WhatsApp group so that I can help you out. Okay students, thank you so much. God bless all of you.